Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Santa's toy bag, so let's get started. To draw this bag of toys, let's start by drawing our little teddy bear that's inside the bag. So I'm going to come right here and I'm just going to start with this ear. So it's just a curve right there, and we're going to put another curve right inside. And from this point right here, I'm just going to slant down a curve. And then from there, let's come to this area and we're going to create a curve that comes all the way across. So right here, just draw a curve that comes all the way back. And I'm just going to go ahead and finish off that curve right there. And so then from here, I'm going to go ahead and draw our hat. So in this area, just come up on both sides right here and connect it. And I'm going to draw the hat part, so let's come up right here, and in this area I'm going to start to slant it down and bring in another curve right there, and then go ahead and add a circle for the ball at the end of the hat. Okay, so then from there, let's bring this cute little teddy bear to life. I'm gonna come in this area right in the center and draw a little nose and come right next to the nose and draw a circle that's, I'm just shaded in black. So I'm making it very small. I think it's so cute that way. So, and then right underneath the nose, I'm gonna shade this in for the nose, and then right underneath the nose, let's see, let's add a little curve. So a little wobble, flatten out W, and let's come above the eyes and we draw a little curve above the eyes there. Maybe add a little straight line right in the center. Okay, so we have our teddy bear face in. Let's come to the side right here and we're going to draw the paws of our teddy bear. So right there and there. And let's bring this around, curve it, and bring it back in. So same thing over here. And let's draw two curves right here for the paws. And so that is pretty much it for our teddy bear. So right in between here, I'm going to draw a curve. And so now we can start to draw our bag. So I'm going to imagine this curve coming through and it's going to come out. And same thing over here. So I'm going to bring this curve out and about this much. I'll make it about this wide. I'll start to bring it in the curve. And same thing over here, bring in the curve. And using this curve right here, I'm going to start right here and bring out a bigger curve. And I'm going to start to wobble right here. And same thing here. So this is going to be the top of our bag, and about this area, let's go ahead and connect it. So it's our bag is folded over, so we're going to have this flap right here. And so since I'm here, I'm going to start to draw the bag. So it's come about right here, and I'm just going to wobble a curve. About that much, and then this is going to be the bottom corner. So come right here and draw a little edge. So in this area, same thing, just wobble a curve. And about right there, once again, little corner, and then go ahead and connect it. So and connect it for the bottom of our bag. Okay, so then now let's come back up here and we're going to put a bunch of stuff inside this bag. So it's all up to you. Hope this inspires you. And I'm going to start right here. We have a big candy cane. So I'm going to angle a line and I'm just going to start to curve for a candy cane. there. And I'm going to come in here with our angles. For a candy cane. And maybe right here we can add a little big box. So I'm just going to angle a box. And you can add a little bow right here. So it's all up to you what you want to put in this box. Maybe right here I'm just going to draw half of a ball. Put a little stripe through the ball. And then we can add another box right here. So I'm going to angle out another box that fits right in here. And once again, maybe put a lid on this box. Put a center right here for a ribbon. And then a big bow. And let's see here. And maybe stick out another candy cane right here if you like. Just to decorate it. And in this area you can just add a little line right there and put some color so it looks like there's some stuff on the back. So now that the top is pretty much done, let's go ahead and bring this bag to life. So I'm going to come right here and just draw a big circle for some Draw So Cute eyes. And come right across, right there. And I'm going to make them Draw So Cute eyes, so come in here with 2 small circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. So I hope this drawing inspires you to come up with your own toy bag for whatever you like inside. And make sure to check out my Christmas playlist for all the new Christmas drawings I've drawn so far. So same thing over here. 2 small circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom. Okay, so then let's come above the eyes and draw a curve above the eyes, and of course a sweet little smile right in between the eyes and cap it off. And that's pretty much it for this. Oh, and I almost forgot, I'm gonna add a heart right here, right? How could I forget? There. Now it's my Draw So Cute Santa's toy bag, and I hope this inspires you to draw it too. And thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.